Stop using the shareit app now because I have never seen a crappy app like this in my life. If you use it, your faith will go away, believe me. There are a few more apps that are 1000 times better than this shareit app that can easily transfer files from one phone to another. I still don't know why we use the shareit app to have such a good app, because if you want to take a file from any people, they will suggest you share it and must probably have shareit already installed on the phone you are watching my video. The first thing is that so many useless ads are shown. You can't open the shareit app in front of people. When the background panel of the background is scrolled from top to bottom, it shows so many bad ads that I'm not interested now. I mean, the whole adult type ad is shown here. There are bad pictures on the cover of the channel and there are very bad words in the title, which not only the underage children will not be able to see but also the adults will be ashamed to see it. In this way, your faith will go. You will have a lot of time wasted, I cannot express. From then on, when you see the shareit app installed on someone's phone, you will not only uninstall the app from your own phone, you will also uninstall the app on your friends, relatives' phone. This is my personal request. The reason is that there are many better apps than this. I will suggest you to use it as an alternative to shareit app. Number 3. InShare app. Number 2. ShareMe app. Number 1. Files by Google.